Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be installing and reviewing Elementary OS. Let's get started. Okay guys, so like I said before, we are going to be installing and reviewing Elementary OS. So I was gonna make a review and installation of Mac OS, but well, that didn't really work out. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to be installing and reviewing Mac OS. Let's get started.
FBI, open up!
Uh-oh. Yeah, so, macOS didn't really work out, and I don't want to get in trouble with the law and pirate an operating system. That wouldn't just be right. So, instead, we're going to be installing Elementary OS. Elementary OS is pretty similar to macOS, so that'll be a great replacement for us. Without further ado, let's just hop in right into the video. So I have tested Elementary OS before the video, just, to get a practice install in. And turns out that this, it does have the Guru meditation thing, so you want to reduce your video memory. So when you are running the Elementary OS, do make it not 256 megabytes and 92 megabytes. For more videos on VirtualBox and other operating system reviews and even other VirtualBox error videos, check out this playlist at the top right now. Yeah, that snap wasn't too loud, so it wouldn't work. So check out that playlist. It has 8 videos in it, and it is all meant for you to learn more about VirtualBox, how to install it, and other operating system reviews, even a live stream. So set it to 92 megabytes. I found that works for me. Yeah, and we're gonna run it. Also, I'm just gonna close VirtualBox. Yeah, so now what you want to do is select Install Elementary. I don't think there is a need to try Elementary OS because we're just going to review it after it is installed. So select your keyboard layout, and we're going to uncheck that because our internet is awful right today, so I don't want this to go forever. Yeah. Now you can't, you will get a different option here. So this option at the top here, on a clean disk there will not be this, but I already tried to install it and I didn't wipe the disk, so it finds the operating system. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click erase disk and install Elementary. Now we're gonna click install now. So erasing disk and installing Elementary will basically wipe the disk and then do a fresh install of Elementary OS. Now it's just gonna tell you just a verification so that it doesn't do anything wrong and all your personal data is gone. So if you are gonna be dual booting, probably select something else. Next, it's gonna ask you where are you. I'm gonna leave it to Toronto because yeah. And now we are going to enter our name, computer's name, username, password, and the option if it should log in automatically or require my password. So I'm going to select it to log in automatically, and I'm going to type in my name. Then I'm going to type in a password. You can see how it automatically picks a username and your computer's name. You can change this to your liking, but since I'm probably going to be deleting this virtual machine, there's basically no point. And also type use a very secure password. Obviously, you can guess I selected the password. Okay, good. So, password with a capital P. Still a weak password, but yeah. But disclaimer, guys, never use password as your password. Okay, guys, so that wasn't too long. It was pretty straightforward. There was no questions during the installation, so that was pretty cool. Straightforward, everything fine. And a usual message you would get during when the installation is complete is something how we see right here. So installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. So we're gonna restart and get out of that installation media and actually go into our new operating system. BTW, guys, like always, it will automatically remove the ISO file for you, but all you have to do is press enter. That's only because, for example, if you have a flash drive, you gotta get it out, or if you have a disk, it ejects the disk, but you have to actually like pull it out, right? And now we're booting. Okay, so now we have this here. It says welcome to Elementary OS. Next, la la la. Okay, cool. Now, first thing I want to do is that I want to change the resolution. Sadly, for some reason, I don't know why, guest editions did not work. Maybe it'll work for you guys, and maybe we'll try again today, but what I'm gonna do is to fix this resolution, we gotta get our actual resolution. So what you want to do is you're gonna want to hop over to your settings, and you're gonna want to go to display, right? For example, on Windows machine, okay? For Windows machine, we'd go to settings, search settings, and then what you would do is you would go to display and you would find a resolution. Note down that resolution, because that's the resolution which we're gonna set for your virtual machine. So I'm gonna go to system, display. It's a little laggy because I have my video recorder and VirtualBox running. And now to check, what's the resolution? So for a resolution on my monitor, I know it's a little weird, but it is 1366 by 768. So 1366 by 768. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop over to our settings. You're gonna want to click here. By the way, guys, this is something I found on the website. There are free ways to search on this operating system. So you have this gallery view, you have the list view, and you could also just search in the taskbar. So, oh gosh. You're going to want to find settings and select system settings. Then we are going to go from hardware to display. You even see it says unknown displays because it doesn't have drivers. Hopefully during the update it will find the drivers. Now what we want to do is we're going to click on this gear icon and we're going to select a resolution. See, it says updates available. What we're going to do is we're going to search even anything 13, yeah. So there isn't the exact resolution I need, but like it's 1366, but it's a difference of 6 pixels, so I'll be fine. I click apply, and there we go. Looks great. Although there is like we're gonna click keep configuration. Though there is like a really small gap here, like I don't mind that really. And we're gonna click X, and now we can begin the review. So, the review of this operating system. Not much to say. Just like, this is a Linux distro, by the way, and it looks a little different than other Linux distributions. This is actually, from what I think, pretty similar to macOS. So maybe a few things are different, but we do have same color cursor. And, you know, I like this UI more than other Linux distributions. You don't have anything here. At least I don't think you could pin them. Yeah, I don't think you could put desktop icons on this operating system. I like that because everything will be down here and I could enjoy my background. The default background, by the way, is pretty nice, but that doesn't go into review and counts on our review scale. We have our App Center. So, kind of like macOS, it's App Store, but yeah. And so you could really modify this operating system. Not modify, but make it more personalized for yourself, because there's appears to be pretty much a lot of apps. And by the way, guys, like, I think this is on the website too, that you could develop apps. So, like, they make their own apps. Like, this isn't Linux apps. From what I think, they made their own apps. At least I think. Comment down below and tell me if I'm right or wrong, please. I don't know. And we have our calendar. Just gonna review stuff here. So, you know, calendar app, random app. So other Linux distributions, in my opinion, other Linux distributions have less apps than this distribution. So I really like that, really do, guys. So next, what should we review? Epiphany, sure. I don't know if that's the operating system's app or it's popular. I don't know. All I use is Chrome and sometimes DuckDuckGo, but that's all. Search anything. Sure. Oh, so it does use the DuckDuckGo search engine, but the main app is called Epiphany. But to search, you know, like, okay, what is this? But to search, it uses DuckDuckGo to actually search, so that they don't have to make their own servers and save data and get websites on their stuff and just make so much more complicated. Just use DuckDuckGo. Wait, what's help spread DuckDuckGo? So can you? Oh. Can you use DuckDuckGo and like put it on your own apps? Because it is supposed to be a Chrome extension, but here it's used as the main browser. I guess you can. So, music app. Honestly, I am pretty impressed a lot by the GUI and the display and how, like, most Linux distros, you have to manually code in the resolution, which I find a little, annoying. So we have this taskbar here. So we have the music icon and like volume. We have our network settings, battery, and notifications. So we have our app center. Only 9 updates? Weird. But yeah, if someone forced me to go switch on to this operating system, I don't know. There's actually one thing I have to check then. What are is there any Office apps? I think in the App Center you could get some Office apps, but Need something that's free. Yeah, we have, wait, is that Office? Oh. Darn it. Home. Not communication. Office. Okay, so what do we have? Oh, view and watch cryptocurrency with ease. I do not need that. Coin, monetary value of a virtual currency with this handy applet. Cool, but I don't really need that. Is there any like actual? Nice. So some stuff are free, but some aren't. But problem I have right now, and this would be a real downer if I do not have, simple sheets, Excel or Excel or chart management, document writer. There's a document reader there, but document writer. And the main stuff. Also like PowerPoint or like presentation slideshow app. If I don't have those apps, that might be a real downer. Of course, you can do everything online. Oh, there we go. We have LibreOffice stuff. And LibreOffice, as you guys know, is pretty cool. It's fine. So, LibreOffice, I could live with if I have to. I think you can add like Office words and then convert them with LibreOffice. I'm not sure. Like, you can read them with them. But yeah. So it does hit that hit spot. I could have just installed LibreOffice by myself anyway. That's cool. So, well, I think there's not much to review. The video is just gonna get boring if we just keep on reviewing it. Like, honestly, I think there isn't too much more to review. So I'm just gonna give some pros and cons about this operating system, and then I'm gonna review it on the new, which I just made up, Voladent scale. So in my other other operating system reviews, I did a scale, and now it's called the Voladent scale for performance and everything combined. So I really like the GUI and design of that. That will definitely be a plus for to that. The thing I do not like, what do I not like? Well, I don't like that it is Epiphany. I'm not sure if you can add other browsers. You probably can, so yeah. Can't complain about that. Cool thing is that there is a pretty similar App Center, which is basically like App Store, and you could get a pretty much all the apps you need. So if I need a browser, I'll find it there. It's free plus free because of that, and now this is on the Voladent scale of 7 so far. I like the GUI everywhere, and like the installation. Let's talk about the installation. Last 3 points here. Installation. No, 2 points. 2 points. Installation. The installation was pretty fast, and there wasn't any questions you had to have during the install, so that's good. So +2, and then one more point. What else is there to review? Apps. Yeah. So apps, you could actually develop and publish your own apps. So I like that's a more community thing than more restricted. So anyone can publish apps, basically. It's open to the public. And honestly, I feel weird about giving an operating system 10 out of 10 because I've never done that before. Well, it did hit all the points. If in the end, if I had to use this operating system for the rest of my life, would I? Yes, I guess. But one downer is that, how does it update? That's, yeah, App Center. It's confuzzled. This is a really difficult decision, but I'm giving my this is gonna be the very first operating system that gets a 10 out of 10. Woohoo! Congrats, Elementary OS. You have passed the Vladen scale, and yeah. By the way, guys, like I said before, the link in the description below for it. And I'm going to end this video there. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget, smash that subscribe button. And hit the subscribe button with the bell notifications icon. Smash that like button and also comment. I read every comment you guys comment. So whether it be, you know, supportive or a question, I read it and I try to reply as soon as possible. And I hope to see you guys next time. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video specifically because, you know, Elementary OS, I really didn't think, like, I never tried Elementary OS before, but I did, like, test out the installation GUI before the video. So this was really unexpected for a 10 out of 10 on Vladen scale. So yeah, bye guys. See you guys next time.